This is our hidden bed by Forest Designs. This bed comes in 4 different boxes. You have the case in one box, the back tray in box number 2, the side wings in box number 3, and the desktop in box number 4. The hardware package is included in with the case. Now we're going to show you how to assemble. A quick overview: the first thing you do is you attach the case to the wall. Second thing you do is you attach the side wings to the tray. The third thing you do is you attach the desk to the wings. Fourth thing you do is attach the tray to the case. As you can see, our professionals are attaching the side wings to the case. As always, we highly recommend that you have professional installers do this process. This is attached with 4 screws that you need a hex nut tool with. Now we'll repeat the process on the other side. For a professional that knows what they're doing, this is a very simple process, one that can be accomplished very easily and safely in your home. The reason we suggest professional installation is if it's improperly attached to the wall, which you need to attach the case to the studs in your wall, you can cause injury to yourself or to your home. Step 2 is complete. The side wings are on. Now we will attach the desk to the tray. Make sure that you use all the proper pieces. You have a plastic sheet that fits inside the hole to properly space the brackets on the outside. This task is being performed in our factory, and that's why some of the pieces are a little dusty. They will not look this way in your home. So with the bracket on the front and the back side, and 3 little screws and insets, it's properly installed. Then they will repeat the process on the other side. This part is already pre-installed. That is what will attach the desk to the case, which we will show you briefly. We will now attach the tray to the case. To install, you tip the desk up. At this point, you carefully slide the desk into position. And then Ernesto will show you how you attach the bed to the case. To complete this task, you will either need a very well-lit room or a flashlight, as they are using here. For this installation process, you will need a 10 millimeter Allen wrench or hex wrench to do the final installation here. To secure the sides, after you're done, you will attach 4 to 6 black drywall screws that are included in the package through the lip into the side wing on each side. This will just add additional stability to your bed to keep it from shifting or breaking. The next step is we will take the platform inserts and put them on the inside of the tray so the mattress has a firm, stable surface to lie on. Once again, you will attach this with the included hardware and the black drywall screws. Once this is completed, the next step will be to lift the tray to attach the tray to the side brackets. Another good example why you need help. While one person is getting the proper tools, the other one holds the bed in place. What you just saw Ernesto install was a safety lock that's on each side. This holds the tray in place. This just pulls to release, and then you can drop the bed down. Now they will do the final step of their installation, which is attaching the bracket to the tray. It is spring-loaded, so it is under tension, which helps keep the bed erect and everything in place. Now everything is complete and ready for you to put your mattress on. As you can see, when the hidden bed is down, whatever you had on the desk can stay on the desk. You don't have to take everything off in order to use your bed at night to sleep. This is the hidden bed. These straps are included in. You have 2 straps, one at the top and one at the bottom. These are to hold the mattress securely in place so when it folds up, it doesn't fall or lose its place against the wall. These are held in place with a bracket through a nylon mesh strap. And then you repeat that process on the other side. Once this is in, it threads in, very similar to a belt, and secures the mattress in place. And that is the Forrest Designs hidden wall bed, space-saving bed. Thank you for your support of Forrest Designs, and enjoy your bed.